Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Super excited to have everybody on board. How you all doing? How have you all been? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whichever part of country you're joining us from, you're joining this life from, I'm really, really excited. I'm happy to have you here. All right. So, as we always do consistently, we have been coming here to, analyze and also trade this market profitably, Bitcoin USD. I'm showing you the inside, my thought process, how do I buy, how do I sell, and how to go about it. The simple and easier way to go about trading. And if you notice, I don't just trade anytime. I don't just trade money anytime. What I definitely do is what? Wait for just 1 o'clock p.m., one session, look for one pattern and the direction of the market. I'm good. Do you understand? One session, one pattern, and what? One pair. I'm good. Someone said, "Oh my boss, I lost money on that massive buy." It's very simple. It's either you didn't use a proper risk management. That's why you lost money on that massive buy. And it's very important that I hope you don't lose the amount of money that will send you back to the village. Because in as much as trading is the safest business, is your discipline that makes it very safe. So always put that in perspective too as well, all right? When you choose. So let me share my screen and show you what I'm expecting market to do. So let's analyze, let's understand this market properly. Let's understand trading. Let's understand Bitcoin. So as a day trader, every day, every trader has their particular time frame they look at. Every trader has the particular time frame they look at. All right. So it's very important as a day trader. What I look out for is the daily time frame, the 4 hours time frame, the 1 hour time frame. Then I enter on the 15 minutes time frame. The reason why you're entering the 15 minutes time frame is to enter fast, so that your stop loss will be very tight. Do you understand? So that is just the perspective using the daily time frame analysis. So when I come to the daily time frame, what do I look out for? The overall direction of the market. That is where my bias is first. I want to know what's the flow of the river. Is the flow of the river south? Is the flow of the river east? Is the flow of the river north or west? And there are just three perspectives of whether this market is going to go. Is it going to go? Is it going to buy or sell or just keep ranging? So based on what I'm seeing on the market, what do I know, or what is the daily time frame telling me? The daily time frame is on the day, is what? It's on the cell structure. Apparently, it's on the cell structure. So what am I expecting for market to do on 4 hours? But now, just because of the daily time frame, is giving you a cell structure. Now the question now that will be popping in your head is, how do I know the market is in a cell structure? That's when you start understanding structures, trends, waves. Because how this market moves, is what market move. Basic minimum understanding is an market creates up and down movements, highs and lows, highs and lows. So understanding that highs and lows gives you an edge over this market over time. So by understanding this up and down movement, by understanding structures, market structures, and understanding what market needs to do, I already know apparently that the daily time frame is what, or the downtrend, because there are principles that all this time frame uses: the uptrend, the downtrend, and the ranging market. There are principles guiding a downtrend, there's a principle guiding an uptrend, and there's a principle guiding a ranging market. So that same principle is what you're going to just use and apply on every time frame. Now, should we sell? No. Why should we not sell? Even as much as market is saying that we are in downtrend, the reason why we're not going to sell, or the reason why we cannot even predict our buy or sell right now, is due to the fact there are different time frames. It's due to the fact there are different time frames. There's 4 hours, there's 1 hour, there's 15 minutes where we enter the market. So in as much as daily time frame is giving us a structure, there's no mean that we're going to sell, because the 4 hours time frame can give us a buy structure. Do you understand? So when we come over to the 4 hours time frame, now the question lies is, what's the 4 hours telling you? The 4 hours apparently is giving you what? What structure is the 4 hours saying you should do? The 4 hours is giving you a downtrend structure. Is it giving you downtrend structures? Do you understand? So what are you going to do now? The market is what? What is the analysis, or what is your bias that market is giving to you? Sorry, 4 hours time frame is a buy structure. Now the daily time frame is sell, the 4 hours is buy. Now, what's the 1 hour telling us or giving to us? You understand the structure of the market on the 1 hour time frame. That's what we now go over to the 1 hour time frame because that is the current trend of the overall trend. So we'll come over to the 1 hour time frame to understand what 1 hour time frame is giving to us, is telling us to do. Okay. So now on the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame is giving you a buy structure clearly. So daily time frame is saying sell, 4 hours is saying buy, 1 hour is saying buy. So how do you go about it? Just how do you go about it? So now is now what you have to do. What you have to do now, literally, is very simple. The only time that I will go in for a buy is markets. If markets start giving me a reason, a pattern around this area here on the 4 hour time frame, the markets are giving me a pattern to do what? To buy on 4 hours time frame. The markets are giving me a pattern around this area on the 4 hours time frame is a clear sign to buy. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, what I'm expecting is what a W pattern, the market to push to keep on buying. So allow market to form a pattern here, a W pattern around this area, guys. I'm sorry, on the 1 hour, not 4 hours, on the 1 hour time frame, not 4 hours, please. On the 1 hour time frame, allow market to start forming a W pattern around this 1 hour time frame to push in for a buy. So what you have to be studying now is what the patterns on the 1 hour and the candlestick on the 4 hours. I repeat it again. The pattern on the 1 hour and the candlestick on the 4 hours, that is what you literally need to be looking out for. Then on 15 minutes, based on the structure in the 15 minutes, you just what shooting for that buy. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Let me make sure that we all are getting it. Is that clear, guys? Well, based on yesterday trade, thank you so much. Based on yesterday trade, I feel the market is going to sell. The market sold, and I see it in the inner chat at our inner circle on WhatsApp. I know that the market started forming a pattern around this place. This is where we wanted to sell. Market sold to this particular area here, and I know the market started giving you a W pattern. Exit that buy, exit that sell. The market start giving you a W pattern, exit that sell. That's what we said yesterday. So as much as market was selling, I still made it an update that the market start creating a W pattern, jumping for. The market start creating a W pattern, exit for that sell and jumping for a buy. So that was just the bias yesterday. So this is what brings about flexibility. Being flexible in the markets because of you expected. Because of you expecting a market wanted to sell yesterday does not mean that you should just be very, very strong on it. Be flexible about something, flexible about trade. So when I say, okay, someone saying yes, the person saw it exactly. So when markets start creating that W pattern, I said exit forward, exit on that sell. Because that W pattern was like a sign of reversal because on the 15 minutes was creating a W pattern. On the 1 hour was the candlestick was giving you a bullish sign. The market want to reverse that particular sell that we were on yesterday. So that is what flexibility helps you to do in trading. So now I want everybody that since you're coming on this live, write down your questions. Tomorrow we'll be treating them. I'll give room for answering questions on whatever issue you're having on trading. And I'm also be connecting my MT5 and MT4 to my laptop. So I'll also be sharing my screen when I'm entering the trade. So you can see my top process as I'm placing my trade, as I'm closing out, as I'm making profit, as I'm doubling down, as I'm stacking as well. Okay? That was going to be tomorrow too as well. Okay? So expect what I just told you now around that box area. And do not just wait for what? Candlestick and chart pattern. That's all. What chart pattern will you be looking out for? W pattern. W pattern. Then what candlestick will you be looking out for on the 1 hour time frame? The candlestick you'll be looking out for is a bullish harami or bullish engulfing. Bullish harami or bullish engulfing. These two things is what you need to be expecting the market to do, and you're good to go. You're good to go. Bitcoin definitely going to change a lot of lives. I mean it. Like it's so certain. But you have to make sure that you are grinding on it. You're understanding the market structures. You're understanding the pattern market is giving you. Okay, and don't just enter this buy or sell. Do not enter Bitcoin without the knowledge about it, without the knowledge of technical analysis, without the knowledge of everything in crypto as well. Okay, in as much as the volatility is very fast, please always put that in perspective. So write down your questions tomorrow. I'm definitely going to be treating everything. And also, this buy, I'm going to be updating it on the channel. I had not updated it on the channel. I was only updating it in the inner circle, which I'm so sorry. I'm sorry about that. I'll start updating it on the channel. So also be very active on the channel. I'll also be very active on the channel as well. All right. So let's call it a day, guys. Let's keep it simple. Just keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Let's do wonders, guys. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Let's have an amazing day.